Good morning! Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going with my dad 170 kilometers away to sign his new yacht. So we bought a yacht 4 weeks ago or 5 weeks ago. I did not want to tell the vlog that because I was not sure, but today we're going to sign the papers. A yacht is basically a big boat where you can sleep, you can hang out, you can eat. There's a kitchen, there's a living room, you know, so it's gonna be awesome. The plan is to bring the boat to Tunisia, but the boat is so big that it doesn't fit behind the car. So we have to put it in a container. The container puts it in a big boat, and the big boat brings it to Tunisia. I can't wait till I vlog in June or July, August, because I'll be in Tunisia and you can see the house that I live in. You're gonna see my cousins and nieces. You're gonna see like all the adventures with dirt bikes, with yachts, with jet skis, the crazy people that live there, the history about the village because it's a really old village. I'm just so excited to film in June, July. And always when I tell people I'm going to Tunisia for 2 or 3 months, they always be like, but don't you get bored? I'm gonna show you how I cannot get bored. We're filming the fuel right now. The camera is right there taking a time lapse. Yeah. Huh? Boy. Swag boy. Swag boy. My dad's gonna bring you some coffee. It's cold in here.
Wat voor muziek had heb ik headphone voor getekend?
Ja. Headphone, heb je muziek voor me getekend? Headphone. So I have to get something from the car. You guys saw the inside. I don't really want to film yet because the man that we're gonna buy the boat from is also there, and his wife. So it's kind of awkward, but believe me when I say when my dad pimps things, he really pimps it, you know. So it's awesome, it's big, it's cool. By the way, I didn't know where we were, but we are in Maastricht, and that's all the way in the south of Holland. They signed the papers, we got the boat. They're still drinking some beer in the boat, and I'm just filming a time lapse right now. Yeah, that was cool. I'm just not looking forward to drive the car 200 kilometers to my house. But we made it back, and to celebrate the yacht we're gonna go for a dinner together in a Italian restaurant. So I thought we're going to a restaurant because we have bought a yacht, but we're actually going to a restaurant to celebrate my mom's birthday, which was the 6th of January. She turned 4. And not even 20 or 18.
No
No, 4.
pubertide.
No puberty. No pubertide. Alrighty. Alright, so that's all for the vlog today. I'm full of all the pizza. It was a good day. It was sunny. It made me happy. I had some quality time with my dad and my brother. Also with my mom, of course. Happy birthday, Mom, I guess. I mean, it was already our birthday, but we really celebrated it today. I don't know if I told you guys yesterday, but I've reached the 60 subscribers. And that's good because I was totally fed up with the 50. You know, the 51 or the 55 or 59. They're all in the 50 and I wanted to hear the 6, you know. And now I get the 60. I can't wait till I'm at the 70 and then go on, go on, go on. So see you guys tomorrow and have a good night.